Well, see that smoke? It's my starter. Great. What's up, boys? Welcome back to the train wreck. So on today's episode, we're gonna go ahead and, if you saw in the startup video, we had oil pouring out of our, let's see, a little bit of oil there. Oil pouring out of our water pump. So that probably means the oil cooler is bad. I replaced it. I hope it's the oil cooler. It might not be, but I also could have cut an O-ring. I could have done something that messed it up myself. So we're gonna pull the whole top, the intake, and all that out. We'll kind of just go from there and hopefully get it back together and see if it'll start. Okay, so this video might hear a little bit of rain, but again, it is Florida. Okay, so got this pulled out. This is the top of the oil cooler. I would say let's just go ahead and get it off. Oh yeah, there's oil on both sides of that. Great. Oh yeah, so that's bad. There's oil in both. I'm not sure what happened there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. I think it's gonna be the easiest thing. All right, boys, got the new oil seal kit. Got the new oil cooler. So, you need everything kind of drained out and put back together. See how it goes. Okay, see if she'll start. Okay, oil cooler should be fixed. Let's go ahead and put the fuel on. Oh, yeah, I gotta fix that wire. Okay, now that Airdogs is running, okay, let me make sure there's no leaks from the fuel system. Got a little bit of a leak there. Let's see if I can tighten that down. I forgot to get the thing for this. That's on me. I think we're good besides this one. All my other connections seem to be pretty tight, so let me see if I can find the right thing for that and tighten that down. Y'all, it's like 9:30 and I'm still like dripping sweat. It is just miserably hot in Florida. But okay, let's turn on the fuel, jerry-rig it again. I know you guys are thinking, it's just like, oh, well, he's already had it running. Why is it such a problem? Well, when you take the motor apart, you got to make sure everything's right. So let's go ahead and get it, and hopefully it'll run. What is going on? Maybe the cam sensor again? Am I missing something? No, that's plugged in. Okay, let me figure out what's going on here. There we go. Go. See, now it's not running anymore. Got fuel running still. my cam sensor didn't come unplugged. It did. It's that right there. Okay, so I need to fix that because I'm just being lazy and not wanting to fix it. So I'll fix that, and it should run. So I'm guessing it's vibrating and coming apart. Okay, Airdogs is running. Fix the cam sensor. What the heck? What the heck? Well, see that smoke? It's my starter. Great. So I might have to change the starter out. I'm gonna let it cool down, see if it still works, but yeah, I'm gonna have to let it cool for a second. Okay, so with it wanting to, not have much power, I think this might be the problem. So you can kind of, yeah. So I'm gonna replace that with just the cheap AutoZone connector, and we'll kind of go from there. So yeah, this is definitely a problem when you're trying to pull power out of it. So good thing I replaced it. Other one on that side's already replaced, so we'll kind of just go from there. Batteries are dead. I'm gonna have to run to Advance and get 2 new batteries because I just let these charge. You can just hear how slow it's cranking. Even if I hook it up to the charger. Now we take it, go right here, flip on our fuel, and go. Yeah, you can just hear it's dying out. It's definitely getting fuel into the cylinders, but just not enough cranking. So I'm probably going to run to Advance real quick, grab 2 new batteries, and go from there. Okay, so I had to change my shirt. I already sweat through my other shirt, so I threw on this shirt. But got new batteries in here. They're the ones from Advance. Nothing special. 850 cold cranking amps, 1000 cranking amps. Let's see if this does anything. Okay, pump is on. There. I might have to put the camera down to mess with the throttle and go full watt. Yeah, before I kill these batteries too, I'm going to hold down the pedal and see where we go from there. Hurts to hold down that throttle. Yours plugged in. You plug the ICP, unplug the ICP. See if that makes any difference. It might. Because, I could possibly have a bad ICP. Well, I got a bad ICP. Aww. What the heck? Okay, well, it runs. It's a good sign. I probably still have air in the oil, though. So, let me mess with the throttle a little bit again. See if that does anything. The throttle does nothing! Holding down the throttle fully now. Guys, it's running again. Finally fixed it. I've been waiting to put out this video just because I wanted to make sure that I got good quality content for you guys. But it's running. Waiting on the transmission now from Super Stick. They're shipping that out to me. It's running. So I'm super happy about that. Had a problem with the oil cooler. I gotta figure out what's going on with the pedal because I'm holding it open and nothing's happening. Let me shut it off. So we just got it running and I go to walk back to the back of the car and there is diesel fuel all over the ground. Thanks. Now, I know some of you guys are thinking, especially if you're new here, you know, he's got this 6.0 Powerstroke and S550. Why isn't he so excited? Well, you go back to the last start video, because I had to change the intercooler because oil was just pulling out of the water pump. Just not good. You're not supposed to have that. I was literally jumping up and down for like 5 minutes straight because how happy I was. 6.0s are definitely a mechanical nightmare. Well, not mechanical, a wiring nightmare. You come around here, I mean, you can just see, you know, all the wires it has. All the wires that I have in here. And then you guys can see I have the stock Mustang dash in there, but you don't see all the wiring I have. But I am extremely happy. Again, if you want to go see me jump up and down for like 5 minutes, go watch the last video. But motor's running reliably. So now that I have everything kind of worked out, I'm going to start running the radiator, I'm going to start running the intercooling, I'm going to start running the proper hoses to the back, because it is a drift car. And we're pushing about 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, so that's a lot of power in a Mustang. So, if you guys like this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let me know down in the comments what events you guys want to see me at, and what you guys want me to do with it. This is going to be a fun build, and I'm glad you guys are here with me. And oh yeah, we hit 1,000 subscribers. How the heck did that happen? So if you haven't seen the last video, go check it out. I'm doing a giveaway with KC Turbos. We're giving away some Hewett apparel merch or stuff like this. And they're giving away some KC Turbos merch. So go over there. I might give away a flag. Who knows? But I really want to give stuff away because you guys have made me to where I'm at now. So head over to the last video, do the contest rules, and I'll see you over there. Please don't copyright me.